Hello developers. Today we are going to build a memory puzzle game using blockchain. By the end of this video, you will have a working model that you can customize and use in your project. Blockchain games are using various levels of decentralization as part of their mechanics. Blockchain technology enables cross-game interoperability, player-driven economy, and uses the game as a mode of earning. Through the tokenization of gameplay and smart contracts, Memory Puzzle will increase the number of tokens for every match. You will also build a similar blockchain solution today. We'll be using a Kandi kit to build this solution. So what is a Kandi kit? Kandi one-click install kits gives you a ready-to-deploy solution with a complete source code. You can access many more such ready-to-use Kandi kits on AI, augmented reality, gaming, blockchain, and many more on Kandi. Today, we'll be using a popular Kandi kit on Memory Puzzle Game app One-Click Install Kit. This Kandi kit is open source with a permissive license, which means you can freely edit, customize, and share your own solution. So let's get started. Over to you, Pooja, for this hands-on walkthrough.
Hello, hope you are excited to build your own blockchain-based memory game. To build this game, we will need the following tools. First of all, we will need a development environment. You can use VS Code or any other development environment of your choice. Secondly, we will need an open source cross-platform like Node.js. Third, we will require some Ethereum development tools. So for that, we will require Truffle. We will require Ganesh. We will also require a MetaMask crypto wallet. Everything that you need is already available in the Kandi kit. So let's get started. Let's start by installing the Kandi kit. Check the description for the link to the installable. This will set up a working sandbox application with most of the needed prerequisites and resources. You can download the installer here and you can follow the instructions listed here. So before we go ahead and set up this kit, we will need to set up two important prerequisites for this kit and to work through this memory game onto our systems. So let's first set up the MetaMask extension for Chrome. So to set it up, say add to Chrome. Also, in the meanwhile, you can set up the Ganesh download also parallelly. Ganesh Truffle suite, so that we can also set this up onto our systems. So currently I'm using Windows, so I'll set it up for Windows. So parallel download will happen as we set up the MetaMask wallet. So just say get started. In case you have a previous wallet of MetaMask present, you can import it using the secret recovery phrase, or we can set up a new wallet from here. Say I agree. Say I have agreed to the conditions of use. Create the wallet. You can set up you can secure your wallet by following this video and setting the secret recovery phase. For now, I will say remind me later. So you will then have a MetaMask wallet setup. Next step would be to set the Ganesh test network onto this MetaMask wallet. So go into this show and hide network, enable the show test network settings, then remove the local host 8545, just delete it. We will add a local network for Ganesh here. So before we can add, we have to install Ganesh into our systems. So I have started setting Ganesh and I'll ask for the installation to proceed. This will take a couple of minutes. So you can pause the video for now, set up these prereqs. As the installation finish, you can resume back. Once your installation will finish, you would be brought to this screen. Here, you simply have to say continue and choose an existing workspace, or you can create one of your own. This is now setting up your personal Ethereum blockchain onto your local system. So you can wait a bit patiently for this. Once you have finished, the loading gets finished, you will be navigated to this screen. Here we have the private key as well as the account balance that we can use to basically set up our MetaMask crypto wallet. So let's get on to the crypto wallet first. And let's add the network. So let's use the RPC URL from Ginash, which is available here. Copy it. And just change these to small HTTP. Alongside the network name is Ginash. Use the chain ID as 1337. So while you are entering, it will itself guide you that 1337 would be a suitable chain ID. And since we are setting a Ethereum wallet, so we will say the currency as Ethereum and save this. Once you save it, you should be able to see the Ganache network setup. And after that, we need to get some Ethereum into our account. Currently, we have 0 Ethereum. So to get some more, get back to the Ganache screen. From here, click on this key, copy the private key. Go on to the MetaMask. Onto your accounts, say import account, paste the private key here and say import. So this will showcase the available Ethereum now. So now we have Ethereum for doing some transactions. So this is how you can set up or connect your both the MetaMask wallet as well as Ganache. So you will be able to now play your memory game. So once you are done setting up the kit, also your Ganache is completely installed onto your systems. Alongside MetaMask has been set up. Just simply copy this code, or I shall say the local network code, so that you can paste it into a browser and load the game and start playing. So once it will take a couple of minutes to load onto your browser, because on the blockchain network, it takes some time to connect with Ganache. Then the same needs to be also connected with the MetaMask. To be able to execute the game, I'll have to first connect it to this game. So the moment it gets connected, you can see the game got loaded. Now to start matching, I simply have to click on a tile, and it is also giving, since I clicked it twice, it is giving me this alert that you click on the same image. I'll click here, so incorrect match found. Okay, incorrect match. And then it says you found the match. So once we will be able to find the match, to be able to collect and store the tokens, there will be a fee that would be incurred, and this will be transferred to the account of your game provider. So this is the game provider's account, and this is his ID or whatever. So we simply confirm, and see, it will say that this transaction is confirmed. The token will get collected here. Then I can continue playing the game. Okay. And to again collect, I'll have to connect and confirm. So another token gets collected. Similarly, you can complete playing the game. Let's now jump into the source code of this game. So if you see, if you load the folder in one of the IDEs, you'll be able to see that there is an image folder where all these images are listed that you are matching, right? And for customization, we'll load the image here itself. You have the source folder within which you have one of the ABIS folder, which contains all the JSON files which are executed whenever your smart contracts have to be deployed. So these smart contracts are basically, I'll just show you, they are stored here in the contracts folder in the .sol format, which is your solidity contracts, and that is how these contracts are defined. So whenever a certain thing happens on the blockchain network, a certain execution that you're trying to perform on the blockchain network, these smart contracts have to be executed. So in the components folder, we have our app.js wherein we have written the entire code. In the card array, we are defining all these images that we are card for images, which we are trying to match, right? So whenever we do the changes, we add some changes or customize them, we can add them here. Then the Web3, load Web3 basically helps in simply adding or connecting your personal blockchain to the MetaMask, so that a browser which has Ethereum enabled is detected and accordingly connected. Also see that within the choose image, within this card ID, the check is done whether you are trying to basically match those cards, right? If a certain card matches, then you are saying that that is the matched card. But or if that that image will turn to white. So if the match isn't 100% matched to the image, other two images are not matched, then it will originally return back to the blank PNG file. So flip card is where in this we basically, on flipping the card, we are checking if the image is completely 100% matched. If it is 100% matched, then obviously you will get the token added. Further, we have check for match. So in the check for match, you see when first option and the second option are chosen and are completely similar. If you click twice and both the clicks result in the same image, then it will give you an alert you clicked on the same image. Or else if this chosen card and the other card you say are the complete same ones, right? Then they match, then you would say you found the match. Or the third condition will simply be that you are finding an incorrect card and it is not matching. So for all that, the three alerts are set here. Let's now try to customize the game. So to do the customization, let's go to the images folder. And we see that there are a couple of images. Let's add it after the popcorn. So let's copy this. And we have to paste it twice, and let's call it donut. And the folder also has its name as donut.png. Donut.png. Let's copy this because we need this image twice for the match. And let's keep it after the second popcorn, wherever it is. You can keep it anywhere you think is okay. Let's save this. And since we have the application open, let's reload and see. So since a couple of images I've extra added, so that's why the grid looks a little haywire. We can simply go back. First, check out the added donut is here. Not here. Okay. So the MetaMask was basically asking if I want to collect the token. Just trying to find another donut. Yeah. So we found another one that we added here and here. So that's how you can customize your solution.
Hope you found this session useful. Using a Kandi kit is a great way to build AI prediction engines. You can find the link to the memory puzzle game kit and many other ready-to-deploy kits in the description. Head over to Kandi to build incredible projects on AI, blockchain, augmented reality, and many more. Try out our Kandi kits now. Hit subscribe and join us at the OpenWeaver community of developers to learn to build many more such incredible projects. Thank you for watching the session, and until the next one, bye-bye.